Cleaning windows, especially high-rise or hard-to-reach ones, can be a real challenge. Thankfully, robotic window cleaners are here to make the job effortless. In this guide, we'll review the top 5 window cleaning robots, highlighting their key features, pros and cons to help you find the perfect one for your home. Say goodbye to streaks and hello to sparkling windows. Number 1, HUT Auto Window Cleaning Robot A1 Review. Keeping high-rise or hard-to-reach windows clean can be challenging, but the HUT Auto Window Cleaning Robot A1 makes it effortless. With 6000 PA suction power, it securely grips glass surfaces while efficiently removing dirt. Its AI-powered navigation and laser edge detection ensure thorough cleaning, even on frameless windows. The 4-nozzle spray system and 150 ml water tank provide even coverage, reducing the need for refilling. Safety is a priority, with a 650 mAh backup battery and a 145 kg safety rope for outdoor cleaning. Pros: strong suction for stability. AI navigation for complete coverage. Works on frameless windows. Large water tank for fewer refills. Cons: requires a power connection. Not compatible with rounded edges. Perfect for modern homes, the HUT A1 offers convenience and efficiency. Number 2, Chovery CL3 Window Cleaner Robot Review. Cleaning windows can be a hassle, but the Chovery CL3 Window Cleaner Robot makes it effortless. With dual-side auto spray, AI-powered navigation, and strong suction, 2700 PA 3300 PA, it ensures spotless windows without manual effort. The remote control makes operation easy, and the triple safety system prevents falls. Its eco-fiber pads leave no streaks, and the built-in battery provides a 30-minute backup. Pros: dual water spray for effective cleaning. Smart AI navigation with edge detection. Powerful suction for stability. Safety rope for extra security. 1-year warranty and great customer support. Cons: corded design limits mobility. May struggle with very small windows. A great choice for effortless, high-rise, and large window cleaning. Number 3, Toshiba W3 Window Cleaning Robot Review. Keeping windows spotless can be a hassle, but the Toshiba W3 Window Cleaning Robot makes it effortless. This smart robotic cleaner features a dual-direction auto spray system, ensuring streak-free results on windows, glass doors, and mirrors. With intelligent navigation, it adapts to different surfaces, optimizing cleaning paths. Its triple safety system, including anti-drop sensors and a powerful suction motor, provides a worry-free experience. The remote control adds convenience, while the 12 included cleaning rags ensure long-lasting use. Pros and cons. Pros: hands-free automatic cleaning. Smart navigation and safety sensors. Works on multiple smooth surfaces. Cons: requires a power cord. 30-minute battery backup could be longer. A great choice for effortless, high-rise window cleaning. Number 4, Chovery Window Cleaner Robot Review. Cleaning high-rise or large windows can be a hassle, but the Chovery Window Cleaner Robot makes it effortless. With 5600 PA suction power, it securely attaches to glass surfaces, ensuring a deep clean. Its AI technology V2.0 maps out the best cleaning path, while multiple safety features, like the anti-fall rope, provide peace of mind. The remote control allows for easy operation, and the backup battery ensures functionality even during power outages. Pros: strong suction, 5600 PA. Smart AI navigation. Remote control for convenience. Safety rope prevents falls. Cons: must stay plugged in while cleaning. Slight learning curve. Overall, the Chovery Window Cleaner Robot is a great investment for hassle-free, automated window cleaning. Number 5, Ecovacs Winbot W2 Omni Review. Keeping windows spotless has never been easier with the Ecovacs Winbot W2 Omni. This portable robotic window cleaner features intelligent WindSlam 4.0 path planning, a 3-nozzle spray system, and 5500 PA suction power for deep cleaning. The Omni station serves as a control panel, charger, and stabilizer, making operation seamless. With 5 cleaning modes and smart obstacle avoidance, it tackles even hard-to-reach areas with ease. Pros and cons. Pros: powerful 5500 PA suction and smart path planning. 12-stage safety protection and obstacle avoidance. Multiple cleaning modes for versatility. Cons: heavy, 15.34 pounds. Premium price tag. Ideal for effortless window cleaning, the Winbot W2 Omni is a smart investment for modern homes. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.